it's me, Madison, or Maddie, or whatever, which one you want to call me. And today I'm going to react to a 1-minute video. Okay. It's the girl that sneezes 12,000 times a
Caitlin
day.
Thornley started sneezing a month ago, and she hasn't been able to stop. Just listen to her. The schoolgirl who lives outside Houston sneezes 12,000 times a day. Sometimes the 7th grader can't complete a sentence.
Some kid ends up making fun of me or something like that, and it just gets...
The only time the sneezing seems to slow down is when Caitlin listens to music, specifically the Beatles.
Even in my dreams, I sneeze.
For now, it's a medical mystery. Doctors have ruled out allergies or a virus. Until they figure it out, Caitlin can't go to school. We've seen this phenomenon before. Remember this teenager who couldn't stop sneezing? Even at her prom, some kids laughed at her.
That's sad that she can't go to school.
This teenager also suffered from serial
there's
sneezing.
like 3 kids
This
that
is
can do
Lauren
it.
Johnson today. Turns out she had a rare tic similar to obsessive-compulsive behavior that apparently started with a strep throat infection. Lauren has this advice for Caitlin.
I tell her just to keep going.
I can see how it started with a strep throat.
Don't let people get her down.
I don't care what they do. I just want it to stop. It's been going on for way too...
Imagine just like 12,000 times a day, or even more. That's sad. Ooh! Right. It fell.
Chew through the skin of the fruit, ruining produce, but they also got angry after one person started swatting.
It was very just
That's
unnerving.
really sad.
I think we had 8 stings yesterday, just mainly our employees. You just can't help it, they were everywhere.
Well,
Consulting with York County beekeepers, Calvin tells us
tonight I'm going to do my night routine, and because like in a couple minutes we're going to Blooming Grove. So, bye. See you later. Bye.